So one of the tips that I try and stress to every doctor that comes to a workshop is they've got to pick the right team. If they don't have the right team, then the project can experience so many issues from start to finish. And just like, I encourage them to look at just like picking their dental team, right? Their employees from the front desk receptionist, or as I like to call them, the patient liaison, or the reception area liaison, all the way to the back, to the assistant, to the dental assistant, to maybe even the person working sterilization. The key components of a streamlined project, of an efficient project, is going to be getting the right team in place. And a lot of people say, well, who do I start with? Well, you start with your equipment specialist. It starts a domino effect, and it starts to line up all the other aspects of your team. So the equipment specialist tends to know which contractors have been on time, on budget, and have good referrals, have good projects at the end of it. So they can hone in on cutting out some of the people that you don't want to use, and they can hone in on some of the better contractors to choose. That obviously extends also into the design team, because you have to have the architect in place or the interior designer in place to achieve a good, well-functioned, well-streamlined office. Once that's all in place, then you start to see some of the balls rolling in the right direction.